everyone, and a very good evening to all of you, and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So as you can see the thumbnail, in this class we will be discussing the GK quiz for the upcoming CLAT exam, and this is the part 3 with me, 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗋𝗀. So if I am audible, just write in the comments, yes sir, you're audible, so that we can start our session. अगर मेरी आवाज आ रही है, आप एक बार लिख दो, yes sir, you're audible. Okay, yes. So let's start with the first question of the day. The first question says the distribution of powers between the center and the state in the Indian Constitution is based on the scheme provided in Morley-Minto Reforms 1909, Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms 1919, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Independence Act 1947. आपको ये बताना है आंसर में कि जो सेंटर स्टेट रिलेशन का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पावर्स है अभी. So the concept of distribution of powers I have taught in the paid classes. I hope you are aware. It is mostly mentioned in Article 246 plus 7th schedule, right? So I hope you are aware that all the three lists, union list, state list, concurrent list, these are actually the list and all the distribution of powers. तो ये कहाँ से लिया गया आपको बताना है. If you are my paid batch student, I have taught many times that a lot of things which in our constitution has been taken from here. मैंने बताया है ये IC करके, IC means Indian Constitution. So a lot of things from in Indian Constitution has been taken from Government of India Act 1935. So the idea of distribution of power has been discussed in detail here, which has been more or less copied, or you can say taken in Indian Constitution. Yes, C is the right answer. Many students are right. Very good. The next one is question number 2, which says in the Parliament of India, the purpose of adjournment motion is dash. These are options: to allow a discussion on definite matter of urgent importance, to let opposition members collect information from the minister, to allow a reduction of specific amount in demand for grant, to postpone proceedings to check the inappropriate or violent behavior. एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन देखो बहुत सारा फेमस मोशन होता है. एक एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन, फिर एक होता है सेंसर मोशन, देन सम देयर इज अ नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन. दीज आर वेरी फेमस मोशंस, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ये सब क्या होता है. सेंसर मोशन, नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन, एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन. सो दीज आर द फेमस मोशंस इन द पार्लियामेंट. तो ये आपको पढ़ लेना आफ्टर द क्लास इज ओवर. Go and read about censor motion and no confidence motion as well. So yes, the right answer actually is A is the right answer, to allow a discussion on a definite matter of urgent public importance. So that is called as adjournment motion. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Gauri, you are right. Very good. A is the right answer. So क्या होता है कि when adjournment motion is passed, okay, so it is I mean all the other matter is set aside and this matter will be discussed. जिस मैटर के लिए adjournment motion पास हुआ है वो मैटर डिस्कस होगा, बाकी सारे मैटर को हटा करके. Okay, yes, A is the right answer to this question. So you should be knowing it. The next one is National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated on 24th April. This is very, very important. To commemorate the implementation of which of the following constitutional amendment? 74th Amendment, 73rd Amendment, 92nd Amendment, 84th Amendment. What is the right answer to this question? National Panchayati Raj Day हर साल 24 अप्रैल को मनाया जाता है. वो किस लिए मनाया जाता है, कौन सा अमेंडमेंट पास हुआ इसीलिए. सो आई एम गिविंग यू हिंट. एक्चुअली ऑन 24th April 1993, 24th April 1993, a very famous constitutional amendment was passed which led to the you can say constitutionalization of Panchayati Raj institution, or which gave constitutional backing to PRIs. And the right answer is very good. A lot of people are answering it. Ramin, Gauri, Titishka, Gopal, Debajyoti, Priya. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. So 74th amendment is related with urban local bodies, है ना? And 73rd is related with Panchayati Raj institution. I hope you are aware of this. So B is the right answer to this question. Very good. A lot of people are answering it. The next is question number 4. The increase of seats in state legislative assembly has been restricted till 2026 by which constitutional amendment? Your options are 42nd, 44th, 84th, 78th. मतलब जो जो जहां है वो ऐसी फिक्स रहेगा. ठीक है. So the number of seats in state legislative assembly will not be increased till 2026. So which constitutional amendment freezed this? ठीक है, कौन से constitutional amendment ने freeze कर दिया था इसको? What is the right answer? I know it's a slightly tough question, but you should be knowing it. The right answer is 84th constitutional amendment freezed all the seats, ठीक है, in state legislative assembly till 2026. तो उसके बाद देखते हैं after 2026. Let's see what will happen. So C is the right answer to this question. You should be knowing it. Okay, yes, Gauri, Priya, Chavan, Deva, Jyoti, Gopal, Vandana, you all are right. C is the right answer. The next is, this is very, very important. In fact, I have taught these in paid classes as well. Right to education has been placed in the constitution under where? Has been placed in the constitution in under which amendment act? Okay. So this you will find in article. Which article? Please tell me, write in the live chat. Under which article right to education is mentioned? It's a fundamental right under part 3. And please tell me after which constitutional amendment right to education became a fundamental right. The right answer, yes, Gauri, Vandana, Priya, Chavan, Nitika, Gopal, Goel, Rimin, you all are right. 86th constitutional amendment 2002. Yes. So article 21 capital A actually talks about right to education. Okay. So the right answer is D is the right answer to this question. You all should be knowing it. Okay. Yes. Article 21 capital A पूरा लिखेगा because Article 21 talks about right to life. ठीक है. Okay. The next is part 20 of the Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? Your options are constitutional amendment, emergency provision, special provision of Jammu and Kashmir, election. What is the right answer to this question? सबको like button press करते जाओ. Everyone please press the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. Part 20 of Indian Constitution क्या चीज से deal करता है? This is slightly important. I mean, part तो नहीं important है, but इसकी article बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So I know it is slightly tough, but you should be knowing it. Actually, you will find Article 368 here. ठीक है? And Article 368 is actually very, very important. तो article कम से कम याद होना चाहिए अगर part नहीं आते तो. Yes, A is the right answer. Vandana, Gopal, Titishka, Himanshu, you all are right. Debarati. Yes, A is the right answer to this question. ठीक है? So part 20 में जाओगे. So Article 368 talks about the power of Parliament to amend the Constitution, right? So that is what is being talked about. The next one is question number 7, which says Central Vigilance Commission was set up on the recommendation of what? Administrative Reforms Commission, ARC कहते हैं इसको. Gorwala report, Kripalani report, Santhanam committee. What is the right answer to this question? Central Vigilance Commission or CBI दोनों actually. Central Bureau of Investigation and Central Vigilance Commission was set up on the recommendation of a committee. What is the name of that committee? बता सकती हो कोई? So actually it's very famous. You should be knowing it. The right answer is Santhanam committee was set up, and which later on recommended CVC and the setting up of Central Vigilance Commission and CBI. So D is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, just have an idea. देखो ARC दो रहा है. First Administrative Reforms Commission, ये बहुत पुराना, I think 1950s 60s का, and recent few years, I mean back, second ARC is there. ठीक है. So right now there have been two ARCs, Administrative Reforms Commission. ठीक है. So just have an idea about it. The second ARC was headed by Veerappa Moily. Okay, just have an idea about it. The right answer here is D is the right answer to this question. Santhanam committee. Yes, Gauri is right. Okay. The next is which article of the Constitution lays down powers and privileges of House of State Legislature? House capital में लिखना चाहिए. Your options are Article 194, 105, 108, 196. What is the right answer to this question? आपको ये बताना है powers and privileges of state legislature कहाँ mentioned है. देखो दो होता है powers and privileges. एक तो parliament का है ना, house of parliament, so that is mentioned in Article 105. But when we are talking about state legislature, it is mentioned in 194. So the right answer here is A is the right answer to this question. इसीलिए मैंने clearly state legislature की बात लिखी थी. So state legislature is mentioned, the power and privileges of state legislature is mentioned in 194, and for parliament it is mentioned in 105. So be careful, 105 और 194 में confuse नहीं होना है. Let's move on to, yes, you can see of the House of Parliament 105 में mentioned है ना, और state legislature का 194 में. Let's move on to the next one, the question number 9, which says under which article governor has the pardoning power? Your options are Article 151, Article 145, Article 161, Article 141. What is the right answer to this question? So pardoning power is both president and governor has pardoning power. ठीक है? Okay. So please tell me. So president has pardoning power under Article 72, and governor has pardoning power under Article 161. So the right answer here is C is the right answer. Yes, 𝗟𝗄 𝗙𝗵𝗹𝗂𝗏𝗧, you all are right. C is the right answer to this question. अच्छा 141 भी पढ़ के जाइएगा. In fact, in today's the Hindu analysis class, I discussed about it. So go and read about 141 also. This is also very, very important. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Article 352 has been invoked how many times in India? 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 3 times. सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ गाइस. एवरीवन प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन. और नीचे सब्सक्राइब का चैनल होगा, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एज वेल. ओके, आपको ये बताना है. देखो आर्टिकल 352 टॉक्स अबाउट व्हाट, क्या चीज से रिलेटेड है? इट टॉक्स अबाउट नेशनल इमरजेंसी, राइट? ओके, सो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स नेशनल इमरजेंसी हैज बीन इन्वोक्ड? ओके, सो कुछ लोग समझते होंगे शायद एक बार इन्वोक किया गया होगा, ओनली वन टाइम, बट दैट्स नॉट करेक्ट. National emergency has been invoked 3 times in India. So D is the right answer to this question. एक 1962 चाइना इंडिया चाइना वॉर में, एक 1971 इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर में, and the next one was 1975. Okay, so why? Because 62-71 वाला तो वॉर से रिलेटेड था, but 75 वाला फेमस हो गया. So the last one, the third one became very famous, the 1975 to 77, because it was due to internal disturbance, not due to war. ठीक है, तो लास्ट वाला ज्यादा फेमस हो जाता है, बट यू शुड बी नोइंग दैट इट हैज बीन इन्वोक्ड 3 times. So D is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. The next is, where is the headquarter of Exim Bank located? New Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai. What is the right answer to this question? Exim Bank, Export Import Bank इसका full form है, Export Import Bank. Where is the headquarter located? New Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai. The right answer is option C. Mumbai is the right answer to this question. Okay. Yes, Gauri, you all are right. हाँ. देखो generally जितने भी financial related चीज है ना, I have given you a hint that whenever like say SEBI's headquarter, RBI's headquarter, National Stock Exchange headquarter, so many of the financial related matters है ना, or any organization, so probability is high that the headquarter would be in Mumbai. ठीक है. So C is the right answer to this question. The next one is, the headquarter of World Economic Forum is situated in Geneva, Tokyo, Beijing, Washington DC, USA. What is the right answer to this question? World Economic Forum ये important है और in fact आसान भी है. World Economic Forum इनके founder थे Klaus Schwab, है ना? I think this is the spelling, है ना? So actually he is headquartered where? कहाँ headquarter है इनका? So I think it's easy and all. So the right answer is Geneva, Switzerland. A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Gopal, Priya, Nitika, Vandana, Gauri, you all are right. A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Deba, Jyoti, Titishka. Okay, the next one is question number 13, which says, with reference to CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, choose the correct statement. Your options are: Article 148 provides the office of CAG. CAG holds office for 6 years or up to 65 years, whichever is earlier. CAG is not eligible for further office after he ceases to hold office. All of the above. What is the right answer to this question? हाँ, इससे पहले का A था, बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. You all were right, जिन्होंने भी A आंसर किया. अब आपको ये बताना है कि CAG में कौन सी ऑप्शन सही है, कौन सी बात सही है CAG के लिए. And who is the CAG of India right now? Who is the CAG of India? Mr. G.C. Murmu, right? He is the CAG of India. Okay, yes. So Article 148 talks about CAG, correct. CAG holds office for 6 years or up to 65 years, correct. It is not eligible for further office, that's also correct. So after CAG retires, he or she cannot take any government post. So in fact, all are correct. So the right answer is D is the right answer to this question. Okay. So yes, Namra Aftab is right. D is the right answer to this question. You should be knowing about CAG. Now the question is, who appoints the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Attorney General of India, Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister of India, President of India. What is the right answer to this question? Yes, सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाना. एवरीवन प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन. यस. हु अपॉइंट्स CAG कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? बताइए. द राइट आंसर इज ऑफ कोर्स, देखो सेंट्रल लेवल पे मोस्ट ऑफ द अपॉइंटमेंट इज डन बाय प्रेसिडेंट. तो अगर आपको नहीं भी पता है तो अंदाजे ही मारोगे तो सही हो जाएगा, है ना. इनफैक्ट प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट्स चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट्स अटॉर्नी जनरल, प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट्स CAG, है ना. सो आप ऐसे अगर आप करोगे तो बहुत हद तक सही हो जाएगा. सो D is the right answer to this question. Okay, the next one is which of the following parliamentary committee scrutinizes the report of CAG? जब CAG अपनी रिपोर्ट लाती है उसके बाद पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी में पेश किया जाता है, and this committee is responsible for scrutinizing, finding out the detailed facts of CAG and putting it in parliament. तो कौन सी कमेटी? एस्टिमेट्स कमेटी, एश्योरेंस कमेटी, पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी, स्टैंडिंग कमेटी? व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन? क्या सही जवाब है? सो द राइट आंसर एक्चुअली इज, ये बहुत फेमस है, PAC बनती है, पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी. सो दिस कमेटी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर स्क्रूटनाइजिंग द रिपोर्ट ऑफ CAG. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा, C is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. The next one is SEBI. What is correct about SEBI? ये मैंने कई बार पढ़ाया है. I have taught in economics paid classes. Paid class में जो economics का section उसमें ही बताया है. So what is correct about SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India? हाँ, इससे पहले का C आंसर सही है. SEBI, it has been very much in the news, है ना. And I hope you are aware that 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗋𝗀𝗀 is the chairman, first woman chairperson. 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗋𝗀𝗀𝗀, first woman chairperson. Just have an idea about it. Okay, actually what is the right answer? The right answer is A. This is very easy. It's a statutory body established by an act of a parliament. So SEBI act बनाया गया था, मैंने बताया भी है. And in which year it was, this act was passed? ये भी मैंने पढ़ाया है. I have taught this, that SEBI was formed in the year 1988, and later on SEBI was given statutory power when SEBI Act 1992 was passed. Yes or no? ये मैंने पढ़ाया है paid class में. I still remember. Yes, the right answer is A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Gauri, Priya Chavan, Nitika, Gauri, you are right. A is the right answer to this question. ये सब क्वेश्चन आने की बिल्कुल चांसेस है. लास्ट ईयर NSE स्कैम वाज इन द न्यूज. आपको पता है ये स्कैम? इसका नाम था नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज कोलोकेशन स्कैम. सो एक्चुअली SEBI is supposed to regulate National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. ठीक है? And that is why NSE becomes very, very important. Yes, so A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Alia, I'll be taking classes in batch 4. Yes, of course. Every batch. Huh? Yes, Vandana, Priya, Chavan, Titishka, you are right. A is the right answer to this question. The next is question number 18. National Human Rights Commission was established under which of the following act? Protection of Human Rights Act 1990, Protection of Human Rights Act 91, 92, 93. What is the right answer to this question? National Human Rights Commission was established under which of the following act? Who is, I hope you are aware, who is the chairperson or chairman of National Human Rights Commission? कोई बता सकता है? This is a previous year question of ALET. ये पूछा था, I think 2021 में पूछा था. Chairman of National Human Rights Commission. So yes, it was formed in 1993, Protection of Human Rights Act. So D is the right answer to this question. Yes, Gauri, very good. The chairman is Justice Arun Mishra. Yes, very good. I've got the right answer. This is a previous year question of ALET. You should be doing it. Yes. Before moving on, guys, there's a small announcement. On 2nd July at 6 p.m. we'll be having this workshop. So effective time management tricks for CLAT 2024 with Nivedita ma'am. So download our app, go to CLAT section where this workshop will be there. Okay. So app download कीजिएगा, वहाँ मिल जाएगा आपको. Okay, and we are providing a scholarship test on 25th June at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so if you qualify this test, you will get up to 90% scholarship on this paid batch, where you are providing 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live session, 35 plus mock test, monthly magazines, etc. If you have any question, call on this number 9538895678 पे call कर सकते हैं. Okay, yes. Yes, and we are providing a 3-day free trial also. तो आप डाउनलोड करो ऐप, उसमें आपको मिल जाए. Go to our app BYJU'S exam prep, go to CLAT section and you will get the chance to unlock 3-day free trial as well. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The chairperson of National Human Rights Commission shall be the retired Chief Justice of India or Supreme Court Judge, Chief Justice of High Court, Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman, Chairperson of National Commission for Women. What is the right answer to this question? देखो पहले क्या होता था, earlier in case of National Human Rights Commission only ex Chief Justice of India could become the chairman, but later on Human Rights Act was amended and now even an ex Supreme Court judge also gets this, ठीक है, post. So Justice Arun Mishra is actually not a former Chief Justice but a former judge of Supreme Court, है ना. So the right answer, yes, Nitika, Titishka, Gauri, Lipsap, yes, you are right. जिन्होंने भी A आंसर किया, रिटायर्ड चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया और सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज, ठीक है. सो अगर इतना भी लिखा रहता है रिटायर्ड सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज तभी सही है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स एवरी चीफ जस्टिस इज अ जज ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो ए इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. सो यू शुड बी नोइंग इट, है ना. एक और क्वेश्चन है, रिसेंटली इट वाज आस्क्ड इन एलेट लास्ट ईयर. ह्यूमन राइट्स डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन विच डे? ह्यूमन राइट्स डे कब मनाया जाता है? प्लीज राइट इन द लाइव चैट, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द आंसर्स. और एक और क्वेश्चन आया था क्लैट में, this is in IIT 2023 and there was a question in CLAT 2021. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was passed on which date? Exact date पूछा था CLAT 2021 में. Now please tell me Human Rights Day कब मनाया जाता है? So Human Rights Day is actually on 10th December. Okay, this you should be knowing it. एंड ये क्वेश्चन आया था 2 साल पहले. यूनिवर्सल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स वाज पास्ड ऑन विच डेट? 10th December 1948, ठीक है. आप बोलते हो सर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन देखो, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन कॉपी करते हैं. ओके, सिंस यूनिवर्सल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स वाज पास्ड ऑन 10th December 1948, दैट इज व्हाई 10th December is celebrated as Human Rights Day. So if you have read the CLAT 2021 question paper, you would have answered the ALET 2023 question easily, ठीक है. तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन इधर से उधर कॉपी किया जाता है, दैट इज व्हाई आई फोकस ऑन द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, ठीक है. तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन क्लैट एलेट का जरूर देख के जाना, दे इंटरचेंज इट, ठीक है. तो एलेट का क्वेश्चन क्लैट में पूछ सकते हैं और रिवर्स भी कर सकते हैं, क्लैट का एलेट में डाल देंगे, ठीक है. These things can happen and these things do happen actually. The next is question 20. Gandhiji hoped that by coupling non-cooperation movement with which movement India's 2 major religious community, Hindus and Muslims, would collectively bring an end to colonial rule. Your options are Swadeshi movement, Sepoy mutiny, civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement. कौन सा movement को non cooperation movement के साथ क्लब किया गया था? So it was from 1920 to 1922. Yes, very good. No, it's not civil disobedience. It's Khilafat movement. So non-cooperation, it is called non-cooperation Khilafat movement. इसको कहा ही जाता है 1920 से 22. Civil disobedience movement तो 1930 से 32 तक चला था. Started from Dandi March. But this is actually non-cooperation Khilafat movement. D is the right answer. Yes, Torika Singh is right. D is the right answer. Titishka Gupta, you all are right. Alia Kausar. ठीक है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. These are very famous basic facts. Okay, the next is which of the following viceroys appointed the Hunter Commission in 1882? So I have explained in the paid batches that earlier there was Governor General, then Governor General of Bengal, Governor General of India, viceroys. These things I have explained in our paid classes. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए what is viceroy, what is Governor General of India. So who was the viceroy in 1882 when Hunter Commission was established? So this was related with education. Hunter Commission for Education. Your options are Lord Minto, Lord Lytton, Lord Ripon, Lord Mayo. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है बताइए. सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस कर दो. Everyone please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. नीचे सब्सक्राइब का बटन दिया उसको दबा देना. Okay, so the right answer to this question is actually Lord Ripon. C is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So you should be knowing it. Yes, Lipsa Patnaik, Gauri, you all are right. C is Nitin Singh. C is the right answer to this question. The next one is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India in the year dash after 2 decades of residence abroad. 1869, 1893, 1905, 1915. गांधी जी कब लौटे थे वापस साउथ अफ्रीका से? हाँ, इसका तो लॉर्ड रिपन है. Yes, C is the right answer. इसका आंसर बताइए. I think it's very famous. Actually, Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869. तो ये तो होगा ही नहीं. So he went there. He went to South Africa and all. I hope you must have read about it. And he came back in the year 1915. Yes, Gauri is right. 1915. Lipsa Patnaik Tulika Singh. 9th January 1915 is the right answer to this question. Okay. I hope you are aware. 9th January is actually celebrated as some famous day because of the same reason. So please tell me after the class is over, write it in the comment section. Ki 9th January is celebrated as which day because of that. So D is the right answer. Okay. The next one is question number 23. Name the first Indian to become a member of British Parliament. Your options are P.L. Modi, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bhikaji Cama, Jamshedji Tata. What is the right answer to this question? First Indian जो कि British Parliament के member बने थे. This is actually very very famous. So you should be knowing it. The right answer, yes. 9 जनवरी को प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस मनाते हैं. Gauri and Titishka Gupta is right. Very good. So actually the right answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. B is the right answer to this question. Tulika Singh is right. This is a homework. A very famous book has been written by Dadabhai Naoroji, which is actually a critique of British economic colonialism. Okay. So basically the drain of wealth which British was doing. So at that time Dadabhai Naoroji wrote a book. So there's a homework. Go and find out what is the name of that book and write it in the comment section. Niche. Okay, so B is the right answer to this question. Yes, जिन्होंने B answer किया, you all are right. The next is in June 2023 this year. Which of the following IITs have developed smart biodegradable microgels? Your options are IIT Mandi, IIT Delhi, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Patna. What is the right answer to this question? June 2023 में IIT ने डेवलप किया है स्मार्ट बायोडिग्रेडेबल माइक्रोजेल्स. कौन से आईटी ने डेवलप किया है, आपको उसका नाम बताना है. विच आईटी? सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ प्लीज. प्रेस द लाइक बटन गाइस, एवरीवन. So the right answer to this question is A. IIT Mandi is the right answer to this question. So just have an idea. Mandi is in Himachal Pradesh. IIT Mandi researchers develop smart biodegradable microgels to aid sustainable farming practices. The right answer is A is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Priya Chavan, Titishka Gupta, Nitika Singh is the right answer to this question. The next is question number 25. Who among the following has been appointed as the new Director General of Border Security Force? Your options are Aditya Negi, Harpreet Singh, Nitin Agarwal, Sujoy Lal Thausen. What is the right answer to this question? New Director General of BSF किसको बनाया गया है? What is the right answer to this question? अभी recently news में था. That is why you should be knowing it. Okay, the right answer actually is C. Nitin Agarwal is the right answer to this question. You should be knowing it. Yes, very good. Gopal, Gauri, Lipsa, you all are right. The next one is who among the following has been appointed as the new CEO of UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India. This authority is responsible for making Aadhaar cards. Okay, I hope you are aware. Yes, it's a statutory body, no doubt. So who is the new CEO of that? Mr. Rashmi Chaudhary, Shyam Jagannathan, Amit Agarwal, Subodh Kumar Singh. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सी जवाब है? CEO of UIDAI. The right answer is option C. Amit Agarwal is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Priya Chavan, Nitika, Vandana, Gopal, you all are right. C is the right answer to this question. Okay, the next, yes, you can see. So Saurabh Garg's term has ended and now we are having Amit Agarwal. So C is the right answer. The next one is in June 2023, Novak Djokovic won his dash Grand Slam men's single title at 2023 French Open title. Your options are 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. What is the right answer to this question? So Novak Djokovic ने Grand Slam कौन सा Grand Slam जीता है recently? So I think you all can answer it very easily. The right answer is actually B. 23rd Grand Slam is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So आप देख सकते हो Novak Djokovic is a very famous player. He wins 23rd Grand Slam by beating Casper Ruud in French Open title. अच्छा, this is a homework. Go and find out. Please tell me he belongs to which country? कौन से country से है ये? Novak Djokovic. Yes, the right answer is B. Yes, Gopal, Titishka, Dhananjay, Vandana, you all are right. B is the right answer. Okay, the next is, which of the following country has won FIFA Under 20 World Cup 2023? Your options are South Korea, Italy, Uruguay, Israel. What is the right answer to this question? FIFA Under 20 World Cup किसने जीता है? किस country ने? I think you should be knowing it because nowadays these types of questions can be asked. Sports से भी सवाल पूछा था CLAT में, so they can ask. The right answer is C. Uruguay is the right answer to this question. It is a country in South America continent. Country in South America continent. ठीक है? This you should be knowing it. So the right answer is C is the right answer. Yes. Gauri, Ditishka, Dhananjay, you all are right. C is the right answer. The next one is, in June 2023, exercise equivalent, a bilateral annual exercise between India and Maldives is being organized in which of the following Indian cities from 11 to 24 June? Your options are Pithoragarh, Champavat, Chowbetiya, Nainital. What is the right answer to this question? Exercise equivalent जो कि इंडिया और मालदीव के बीच होती है, वो कहां पर ऑर्गेनाइज हो रही है, कौन सी जगह? So the right answer to this question actually is C. Chowbetiya is the right answer to this question, which is actually a place in Uttarakhand. So C is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Gopal, Nitika, you all are right. हाँ, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर उत्तराखंड है और ये उत्तराखंड ये स्क्वायर वाला है ना, ऐसे में चौबेतिया मिलेगा आपको. Okay, yes. The next one is question number 30, which says, name the state government which has launched Shakti scheme that offers free travel to women and transgender people in government-run buses in the state. Your options are Karnataka, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है? शक्ति स्कीम कौन से स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया जो वुमेन और ट्रांसजेंडर को फ्री में बसेस में अलाउ किया जाएगा, मतलब without ticket they can go. So the right answer is actually Karnataka. State of Karnataka is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Gopal, Goel, Nitika, Lipsa, Vandana, you all are right. So this is inside the bus. He is the chief minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah. He is the chief minister of Karnataka. ठीक है? So free bus services for women and transgender. A is the right answer. Yes, Jyoti, Kumari, Gauri, Ramshekh, you all are right. The next is, in June 2023, Indian Army has signed an agreement with which of the following organization for the development of tactical land radio? This is actually used, I mean, for communication purpose for army, है ना? Communication purpose के लिए. Okay. LAN मतलब local area network. Okay. Your options are eSpark Technology Private Limited, Arams Technology Private Limited, Astrom Tech Private Limited, NASCOR Space Private Limited. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है? Okay, the right answer is of course C. Astrom Tech Private Limited is the right answer to this question. Gauri is right. Very good. C is the right answer to this question. Yes. The next is, according to Global Slavery Index, which of the following country has the lowest prevalence of modern slavery? Switzerland, Norway, Germany, Turkey. What is the right answer to this question? हाँ, इससे पहले का एस्ट्रॉम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड था आंसर. सी इज द राइट आंसर. कई सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया है. तितिश्का, ज्योति, राम, प्रिया, चवन, यू ऑल वे राइट. ग्लोबल स्लेवरी इंडेक्स में सबसे कम मॉडर्न स्लेवरी कहाँ है? सो द राइट आंसर इज स्विट्जरलैंड. ए इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. यस, यू शुड बी नोइंग इट. G20 नेशंस फ्यूलिंग मॉडर्न स्लेवरी एंड ऑल. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है, इसको जाके पढ़िएगा थोड़ा सा कि व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मॉडर्न स्लेवरी. देखो, स्लेवरी का कॉन्सेप्ट जो होता है पहले जमाने में होता है, ड्यूरिंग एंशिएंट टाइम एंड ऑल. नाउ एज सच स्लेवरी इज नॉट प्रैक्टिस्ड, बट दे आर एक्चुअली गिविंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मॉडर्न स्लेवरी. ये क्या होता है, इसको फाइंड आउट करो. ठीक है, इट्स अ होमवर्क. यस, स्विट्जरलैंड. वेरी गुड. गोपाल, तितिश्का, इरम, ज्योति, यू ऑल राइट. वंदना, नितिका. हाँ. Who among the following has been appointed as the new Power Secretary of India? So there is a Power Ministry. In Power Ministry, there is a minister, and there is the senior most bureaucrat. So that is actually the Secretary of Power Ministry, and that is called as Power Secretary of India. Your options are Alok Kumar, Mr. Alok Kumar, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal, Mr. Rajat Mishra, Mr. Chanchal Kumar. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है? सही जवाब बताइए. The right answer to this question is B. Pankaj Agarwal is the right answer to this question. Yes, Lipsa Patnaik, you all are right. Priya Chavan, B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, so you should be knowing it. Okay, the next one is question number 34, which says in June 2023, which of the following state governments has launched a monthly pension scheme of 10,000 rupees for the Padma Awards from the state? Your options are Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. So Padma Awards समझते हो, मतलब Padma Awards means those who are Padma Awards winner, like Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. I have taught these in paid classes in detail, these Padma Awards. So आपको ये बताना है कि which state government has launched a scheme that in which 10,000 rupees will be provided every month to the Padma Awards winner. So the right answer is state of Haryana. B is the right answer to this question. Yes, Gauri, Priya, Titishka, बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. Gopal, Nitika, you all right. The next is in June this year, which of the following Indian steel company has joined hands with German's SMS group to decarbonize steel making process? Decarbonize का मतलब क्या होता है कि less carbon emission while producing steel, है ना. तो pollution कम हो, कहने का ये मतलब है. Your options are Steel Authority of India, Vedanta Limited, Hindalco, Tata Steel Limited. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है बताइए. The right answer is Tata Steel Limited is the right answer to this question. Tata Steel, Germany's SMS group to explore low carbon steel making technology. जिससे जब स्टील बनाया जाए तो कार्बन पोल्यूशन यानी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वगैरह ये कार्बन एमिशन कम से कम हो. Yes, that is what is being talked about. Yes, Nitika, Vandana, Titishka, Jyoti, a lot of people have answered it correctly. The next is very, very, very important. Who among the following has been given the title Governor of the Year 2023 by Central Banking in London? So आपको बताना है किसको ये अवार्ड दिया गया है. And why I'm saying very, very important, because the person is Indian. ठीक है, so he is none other than RBI Governor of India. Okay, so who is the RBI Governor of India? So Mr. Shaktikanta Das. So D is the right answer to this question. I hope you all are aware of it. तो थोड़ा आसान भी क्वेश्चन था, अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा तो आप आंसर कर दोगे. Yes, गौरी, तुलिका, प्रिया, धनंजय, वंदना, दीपिका, you all are right. The next is NIRF ranking के बारे में काफी डिस्कशन हुआ था. In the Hindu analysis also I discussed about NIRF ranking, National Institutional Ranking Framework. You have to tell me that which has got top rank in overall category. So overall में rank 1 किसको मिला है? The right answer to this question is IIT Madras is the right answer to this question. A is the right answer. Okay. Overall में भी और engineering की category में भी इसी को मिला है, and law की category में NLSIU Bangalore को मिला है ना. I hope you are aware of that. We have discussed these things. So A is the right answer. IIT Madras is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Gopal, Titishka, Vandana, you all are right. The next is in June this year, which of the following Indian organization was awarded with Climate and Health Award at UIDP Awards held in Barcelona? Your options are BEST, DMRC, DTC, UPSRTC. इसकी ट्रांसपोर्ट सर्विस चलती है ना, आपने सुना होगा. DMRC जो है दिल्ली मेट्रो कॉर्पोरेशन है, बेस्ट जो है बस सर्विस है मुंबई में, DTC बस दिल्ली में बस सर्विस है ना, UPSRTC यूपी की सर्विस है, बस सर्विस वगैरह. सो द राइट आंसर इज बेस्ट. A is the right answer to this question. तो आप देख सकते हो बेस्ट अंडरटेकिंग रिसीव्स क्लाइमेट एंड हेल्थ अवार्ड, सो यू शुड बी नोइंग इट. ब्रिहन मुंबई इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, so that is what you should be knowing it. A is the right answer. Yes. Best की buses वगैरह चलती है ना मुंबई. If you are from Mumbai and all, you should be knowing it. The next is question number 39. Name the Indian sprinter who has secured 2 gold medals in men's 100 and 200 meter race category at Flanders Cup 2023 in Merksem, Belgium. Your options are Amia Kumar Malik, Amlan Borgohain, Gurendraveer Singh, Muhammad Anas. What is the right answer to this question? आप बताइए क्या सही जवाब है. What is the right answer to this question? The right answer is actually B. Amlan Borgohain is the right answer to this question. Sprinter समझते हो ना, sprint मतलब होता है running race जो होता है ना, so that's called as sprint है ना. So just have an idea about it. Yes, B is the right answer. कई सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया है. गौरी, प्रिया, चवन, वंदना, गोपाल, धनंजय, नितिका, you all right. I cannot take everyone's name. ठीक है. The next one is question 40. Name the Indian university that emerged as India's highest placed university and ranked at 42nd rank globally in Times Higher Education Impact Ranking 2023. Your options are Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, IIT Guwahati, अमृता विश्व विद्यापीठम. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन? ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है. इंडिया किस में हाईएस्ट प्लेस्ड है? टोटल ओवरऑल 52nd रैंक पर है, लेकिन इंडिया के टॉप कॉलेज में से ये टाइम्स हायर एजुकेशन इंपैक्ट रैंकिंग में. सो द राइट आंसर इज, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? The right answer to this question is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham. So D is the right answer to this question. Dhananjay, Nitika, Gopal, Goel, you all are right. D is the right answer to this question. Yes, you can see Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham, India's highest ranked varsity, the impact ranking. So you should be knowing it. Okay, so D is the right answer. Yes, Vandana, Gauri, Jyoti, you all are right. The next is question number 41. Which of the following state government signed an MOU with Tata Group to set up first ever lithium ion cell manufacturing gigafactory? MOU मतलब होता है Memorandum of Understanding. Memorandum of Understanding means a sort of, you can say sort of an agreement. ठीक है. So which state government has signed an MOU with Tata Group to set up first ever lithium ion cell manufacturing? So the right answer is, yes, very good, Gauri, Priya, Chavan, Nitika, Dhananjay, you are right. See, Gujarat is the right answer to this question. Tata to build India's first lithium ion cell manufacturing gigafactory in Gujarat. ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि which company. ठीक है, तो ये 4 जून की न्यूज़ है, एकदम recent news है. These are the recent news. So C is the right answer to this question. The next is question number 42. In June this year, Indian American 𝗟𝗂𝗴𝗃𝗀𝗃 has been appointed as the new president of World Bank. So which number? I mean 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. You should be knowing it. और एक और चीज बताइए कि इनसे पहले कौन थे? बिफोर हिम हु वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक? हु वाज द प्रेसिडेंट? ये आपको बताना है, ठीक है, बताइए. सो बिफोर हिम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक वाज डेविड मालपास. And in June this year, I mean, I think in the first week of June, Mr. 𝗟𝗂𝗴𝗃𝗀 has been appointed as the 14th president of World Bank. ठीक है. So they can ask World Bank का headquarter कहाँ है, when it was formed, in which year, ठीक है, it is a result of which agreement, कौन से agreement का result है. These things I have taught in paid classes कि World Bank कौन से agreement का result है, कब founded हुआ, where is the headquarter. In detail I have discussed it. IMF, GATT, WTO, these things I have discussed it there. Yes, B is the right answer. Very good. 14th president of World Bank. The next is in June this year, Kerala state government launched 𝗘𝗴𝗏 project. In this context, what does O stands for? Operation, optic, overall, object. What is the right answer to this question? 𝗘𝗏𝗏 project. K stands for Kerala, of course. What is FON में O का meaning क्या है? You have to tell me. Yes, very good. कई सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. Washington DC is headquarter. Good. हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक. 𝗘𝗏𝗏 प्रोजेक्ट में ओ बी जो है, एक्चुअली ओ जो है वो ऑप्टिक्स से स्टैंड करता है. देखो, केरला बिकम फर्स्ट स्टेट टू प्रोवाइड इट्स ओन इंटरनेट सर्विसेज अंडर 𝗘𝗏𝗏. ओके, सो आप देख सकते हो 𝗘𝗏𝗏 की वेबसाइट एंड ऑल. ऑप्टिकल फाइबर है ना. सो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, यू अंडरस्टैंड, जो nowadays इंस्टेड ऑफ वायर दे आर यूजिंग ऑप्टिकल फाइबर. तो वायर में करंट जाता है ना, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर में लाइट जाता है inside. This is actually, let's say, the optical fiber, and there's a concept which is being taught in physics, total internal refraction. उसी के अंदर क्या होता है, lights जो है ऐसे जाता है, lights goes inside it. Yes, I hope you are aware of that. So that's called as optical fiber, and with the help of that, internet is being provided, है ना. Fiber, nowadays we are using optical fiber and all everywhere. So that is what you should be knowing it, है ना. Okay, the next is question number 44. In June 2023, which of the following state government launched Asia's largest, ambitious and historic cluster development scheme? Your options are Rajasthan, Bihar, Odisha, Maharashtra. What is the right answer to this question? Asia की largest, ambitious and historic cluster development scheme कौन से state government ने launch किया? Okay, the right answer to this question is D. Maharashtra, state of Maharashtra has launched it. So just have an idea. D is the right answer to this question. The next one is Union Minister Mr. Sarbanand Sonowal flagged off maiden मतलब the first international cruise vessel named MV Empress from Chennai to which country? Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Cruise vessel एक तरह की ship होती है ना, sort of a ship. हाँ, yes, इससे पहले का डी था, बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. वेरी गुड. इसका आंसर बताइए. सर्बानंद सोनोवाल is actually minister of shipping, है ना? Is having ministry of shipping, and he has launched this from Chennai to. The right answer is Sri Lanka. B is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Gopal, Vandana, Nitika, Priya, Chavan, you all are right. तो चेन्नई से यहाँ पे चेन्नई है and it will go to Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. So आप देख सकते हो इसको क्रूज कहते हैं. कॉर्डेलिया क्रूज है ना, एक तरह की शिप होती है. क्रूज मतलब वेसल को भी शिप है कहते हैं. क्रूज वेसल मतलब शिप, सॉर्ट ऑफ अ शिप. ओके, यस. The next one is President Draupadi Murmu was conferred with the Grand Order of the Chain of Yellow Star. So this is the name of the award. It is the highest civilian award of which country? Fiji, Palau, Samoa, Suriname. कौन सी कंट्री का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड है? ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन. इंडिया का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड कौन है? इंडियाज हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड. आई हैव टॉट दिस इन पेड क्लासेस. इंडियाज हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड कौन सा है? ओके, ये बताइए. प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू हैज गॉट द ग्रैंड ऑर्डर ऑफ द चेन ऑफ येलो स्टार व्हिच इज Suriname's highest civilian award. So you can see it here. President Draupadi Murmu becomes Indian to be conferred with Suriname's highest civilian award. ठीक है, so he is actually the president of or the head of Suriname, president. Yes. आप देख सकते हो. Let me show you on the map where exactly it is. Here is India, and this one is actually. Let me remove myself first. हाँ, यहाँ पे this is South America. यहीं पे आपको Suriname मिलेगा. Okay, so you should be knowing it. काफी सारे इंडियन ओरिजिन के लोग यहाँ पे हैं. You will find a lot of Indian origin people in these regions. ठीक है, so you should be knowing it. Okay, yes. हाँ, वेरी गुड. इंडिया का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड, यस, बच्चों ने लिखा. यस, वेरी गुड. इज भारत रत्न. भारत रत्न इज इंडिया हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड. ठीक है, यस. द नेक्स्ट वन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज हैज गिवन द नेम बीपर जॉय टू द साइक्लोन दैट वुड बी इंटेंसिफाइड इन वेरी सीवियर स्टॉर्म. बीपर जॉय नाम किसने दिया है? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड, एंड दिस हैज हिट द कोस्ट ऑफ गुजरात, and not only Gujarat but Rajasthan has also got affected, and Maharashtra and all. So it has been named by Bangladesh. B is the right answer to this question. We have discussed it. This is the path of Beeper Joy. Started somewhere here and it moved like this, and it is going, है ना? इस तरह इसका impact है, मतलब इस तरह गया ना. So it affected the northern portion of Gujarat, Rajasthan and all. Yes. So you should have an idea. B is the right answer to this question. Yes. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. I cannot take everyone's name. The next is question number 48. Which of the following state government launched the Nand Baba Milk Mission scheme? Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. What is the right answer to this question? कौन से state government ने Nand Baba Milk Mission scheme launch किया है? So the right answer to this question is C. Uttar Pradesh state of UP has launched it. So just have an idea about it. C is the right answer. Okay. The next is according to the Google Temasek and Bain Company report, India's internet economy is expected to grow six-fold to $1 trillion by which year? 2035, 2027, 2026, 2030. ये इससे पहले का सी आंसर था. तो ये बताया जा रहा है कि गूगल, तेमास्क और बेन कंपनी की एक रिसर्च हुई है. इसमें 6 गुना 6 टाइम्स इंडिया के इंटरनेट मार्केट बढ़ जाएगा. $1 ट्रिलियन तो वैल्यू हो जाएगा सिर्फ इंटरनेट इकोनॉमी का. इंटरनेट इकोनॉमी इज इकोनॉमी बेस्ड ऑन इंटरनेट एंड ऑल. यस, यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Okay, so by the year 2030, so it will become internet economy would be $1 trillion. Yes, so D is the right answer to this question. You must be knowing it. 2030 तक याद रखिएगा. ठीक है. So yes, 𝗘𝗴𝗃𝗀 𝗔𝗂𝗃, you all are right. The next is in June 2023. Which of the following organization has joined hand with ISRO for Gaganyaan mission? Tata Elxsi Physical Research Laboratory, Pixel, Bellatrix Aeroscope. See, Gaganyaan mission will be considered as very famous because this will be India's first indigenous manned mission. Manned mission matlab humans will be going inside it. This will be the first time India will be launching this Gaganyaan mission. So the right answer is which has joined hands? ISRO has joined hands with Tata Elxsi. ठीक है. So A is the right answer to this question. I don't know the pronunciation. शायद Elxsi पढ़ते हैं इसको, है ना? So A is the right answer. Yes, Gauri, Priya, Chavan, Nitika, Titishka, Vandana, you are right. A is the right answer to this question. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, like the video सबको. Please press the like button, guys. Now I'll be meeting you tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.